I'm going to do a walkthrough of our 4-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home here in Port Orchard. This is the entryway on the kind of the side or front deck, coming right into the kitchen and laundry area. Laundry area right here. Into the kitchen. So this has been completely remodeled. We're going to get new appliances here, but we've got new cabinets, new countertops, new sink, new vinyl plank flooring, got a wood burning stove. So as you can see, open concept here. Just a little over 1,500 square feet. Again, 4 beds, 2 baths. We're going to the master bedroom. Master bath with shower here. Okay. Coming back through. So you can see there's still a little bit of construction supplies out here, but here's the back deck. We're on 2 acres here, and it's got an artesian well. Here is the guest bathroom. Again, all new stuff in here. Well, almost all new stuff. We reused this cabinet. Here's bedroom here, probably the smallest bedroom. Another bedroom here. So I guess you could call this bedroom number 3. And the 4th one is right here. Okay. Awesome. So that's just a quick walkthrough. Give me a call or shoot me an email if you have any questions. Thank you very much.